In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Calendly. By the end, you'll have payments connected so invitees can pay right when they book time with you, making scheduling smoother and saving you from back and forth invoicing. First, open your Calendly dashboard and head to Integrations and Apps. This is the central place where Calendly connects with tools you already use. If you don't see it right away, look for it in your main menu or account navigation. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Calendly account with the permissions to manage integrations, especially if you're part of a team. Next, in the Integrations and Apps page, use the search bar and type Stripe. This quickly filters the available options so you don't have to scroll through a long list. Stripe is a widely used payment processor that securely handles credit and debit card payments in many countries, and it works seamlessly with Calendly to collect payment at the moment of booking. When you see Stripe in the results, click it to open the integration details. This page briefly explains what the integration does, what information will be shared, and what you can expect during setup. Take a second to confirm it's the official Calendly Stripe integration so you know you're connecting to the right service. Now, click Connect with Stripe. Calendly will securely redirect you to Stripe to authorize the connection. If you already have a Stripe account, simply sign in and approve access. If your organization hasn't set up Stripe yet, you'll be guided through Stripe's standard onboarding, which includes business details, bank account information, and verification. That process is handled entirely by Stripe to keep your financial data safe. Once approved, you'll be brought back to Calendly and should see a confirmation that Stripe is connected. After the connection is in place, you can enable payment collection on the event types where you want to charge. This gives you control over which meetings require payment and which remain free. As a tip, decide on your pricing, currency, and refund or cancellation policy ahead of time so everything is clear to invitees. If you plan to experiment first, make sure your Stripe account is in test mode until you're ready to accept real payments. And if you're working in a team, double check who has the rights to manage integrations and event settings. That's it. Your Calendly is now ready to accept payments through Stripe. With payments built into scheduling, you'll reduce no-shows, secure revenue, put up front, and deliver a smoother booking experience. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.